In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Clickbank banner to the side of a WordPress blog, and then also how to add it to an HTML page. So what you need to do is go over to the affiliate tools page for whatever product you're promoting. If they do have banners available, most of the time they're going to be found in the affiliate tools page. This page can typically be found inside the Clickbank marketplace. So if we go to clickbank.com and go to marketplace, so clickbank.com and marketplace, and we find a product that we want to promote. So let's go here to like home and garden. And if you scroll down here, here's the product, Ted's Woodworking. All I have to do here is just copy and paste this content here. We'll copy that, and all we have to do is just paste it into our browser, and that's going to bring up the affiliate tools page. So you'll see inside the Clickbank marketplace, they will let you know if there are tools available. By the end of their affiliate option here, you will actually see that you can go in there and grab their affiliate tools and start promoting for them. So what you want to do here is go scroll down on the affiliate tools page, and we're going to look for the banners option. So let's look for the tools here, and there's the banners option. And you'll see these different banner options and choices that we can actually work with. So there's quite a few in this product. Some of them have more, some have less, but we want to look for something that's going to go in like the sidebar of our blog here. And this is just an example blog that we're working with. So as you can see here, right now this is a pet related sample site, and so it's got some things from Amazon. So I'm going to actually show you how to put your banner code in so it shows up on the right hand side. So all you need to do is come on in here. We're going to grab this code right here, and we're just going to highlight it. But the first thing you want to do with any Clickbank banner before you do anything with it is you want to make sure you put in your Clickbank ID. So we're going to put in our Clickbank ID here, and this again is the nickname that you established when you set up your Clickbank account. So all you want to do is copy that code. After you've changed out the XXX or your CBID, however they have it labeled, you want to make sure your Clickbank ID goes in there. And we're just going to copy here and go back over to our website, to the dashboard of our WordPress site. Once inside the dashboard, we just choose Appearance, and you want to select Widgets. So Appearance and Widgets, and you're going to go down here. There's all these different options. These are different things you could add to like the sidebar widget of your WordPress site. And again, the widget area is going to be different for every single WordPress site. So what we want to do is take the text widget and just move it right on over here. And wherever things are placed over here in the widget, as far as the order goes, that's how it's going to display on your website. So one thing we want to do is we just want to paste that code in there, and then simply choose Save, and go back to the website. So let's go over here to the website and hit refresh. And as you see here, there it is. There's the actual blog post, and it should link over with your Clickbank ID, and it does. And everything seems to be working smooth. You can actually test that out by trying to buy the product and scrolling all the way to the bottom of the page just to see what Clickbank ID is actually showing up there. So there it is. So there's our Clickbank ID. It is showing up correctly, so that means it is working as it should. You can also just hover it, and in the left hand corner of your screen it might bring up the actual URL. So that way we know it's working. So again, it's found. You go to the affiliate tools page, you grab the code that you need for the particular banner you want, and you just simply paste it in there. You could also take a banner, like this one has some really good banners. Like this one would be great within a blog post. So again, I want to come over here to where it says XXX, or it might say your CBID. It might be 4X's. It might be all different. And you'll just put in your Clickbank ID. So I'm going to put in my Clickbank ID. And then what we want to do is just copy this and go over here to a WordPress blog post. So let's come over here, go to post, we'll go to add new post, and I'm just going to test this out, we'll go Ted's Woodworking Example. I highly recommend this product. Now again, you would do a nice review on it. You might talk about woodworking plans and at the end of it say, for more input, check this out, those types of things. That's what you would do there. Then you just do a space there, go over here to text so you're in the HTML part, and you can just actually paste in the HTML code for that. So let's go back to visual here, and there it is. So notice that shows up. And if you do decide that you want to center that, so you want to move it to the center, you just highlight the image and click on the center or right justify. Then simply choose publish, and we can go back to the blog post. We'll refresh to make sure that post worked, and it did. And now the only other thing you need to do is go in here, test that link to make sure that that link is going through correctly. And if it's not, then you definitely want to go back and test things out here. So it looks like we didn't copy that entire URL. So let's just come in here, grab this code, and we'll make sure it's going to work this time. Then hit update. And there it goes. So now it seems to be working. But let's say we want to move that again over to the center. So just highlight that and we can center it over there. And it should center on up if we want it to. And there it goes. And then we can just click on that, and that seems to be working exactly right. So there you have it. So that is, kind of a short step-by-step process for adding in a banner from a, Clickbank product that you're promoting from a Clickbank landing page and putting it into a WordPress blog post and also on the sidebar of your WordPress website. So if we go back here, you'll notice now we got one on the sidebar and right up here. So then the only other step here is if you want to put it into a sample HTML site. So what you're going to do here is go in here, put in your link. So let's say this option looks good. You see the X's there, or it might say your CB ID. Always make sure you put in your Clickbank ID. We'll go in here, grab the code that they give us, right click, choose copy. I'm going to go right on in here to the actual HTML file. We'll scroll on here. We'll just look for a spot where we can actually put it in there. And let's see here. And there it is. There's the image. We can center that. We'll go to preview. And after we preview it, make sure that link is working as it should. And everything should be smooth. So again, you're just going on an HTML site. I went to Composer, which is an HTML editor. You might be familiar with Dreamweaver or Front Page. Either option, you're going to go, instead of in the normal mode, you'll just go to Source, and you can actually copy and paste that image directly in there that they provide you. So that's how you add it to an HTML site. There is one other step you could do. Another way to get that link is you can come over to your affiliate tools page. You could right click and you can choose copy image location or image link, and you can do this if they allow it on their affiliate page, which most of them do because they want you to promote for them. The easiest way, so you can actually insert your image that way, and then if you want to link up that image, you just go grab your affiliate link, which is right here. So I'm just going to come in here and highlight my affiliate link and copy it over here, which you can also find your link typically at the very top up here. So we'll just grab this link here, and I'm going to paste it on in here to the banner part. So we'll highlight that, go to link, and there it is, and hit OK. And then we'll save that, and then everything should preview over there. So that is how you work with adding in a plan adding in the HTML link to your regular website. So that's how you take a Clickbank banner, put it on your website. We'll go back here so you can see how that is going to display. And then of course you would open up in your browser to test that out as well. So you can go to the affiliate tools page, grab the banner code that you need to work with, and you can actually insert it into your WordPress site, your composer, your HTML page, your landing page, whatever it is you're working from. But that's how you actually take banners and insert them on your site so you can get commissions.